how to use the Cash App to buy things on Amazon. To get started, you're going to want to come to Amazon, and in the top right corner, you want to click on Account and List. It's going to say your name here. And then you want to click on Your Payments. Once you make it to this page, you want to come under Wallet and click on Add a Payment Method. Now, as you can see here, when we go to add a new payment method, there is no Cash App option. There is a Venmo one though. So to be able to actually use the Cash App on Amazon, you need to get what's called the Cash Card. The Cash Card is pretty much a free debit card that's connected to the Cash App, so it'll let you use your money on there to pay for things. To get a Cash Card, you want to open up the Cash App, and then at the bottom, you want to click on the credit card looking icon, and then you can go through the steps of getting your own Cash Card. And you need to be at least 13 to get one of these. So once you get your Cash Card and activate it, you can come back to Amazon, and then now you want to click on Add a Credit or Debit Card. And then now you can go ahead and add in the information that's on your Cash Card into Amazon. So that's pretty much how you buy things on Amazon with the Cash App. If this video ended up helping you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated.